Mwah, ha 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 ha. Just kidding, guys. Hey, it's Marissa for Wonderless Dreams Your Wednesday, and this week's theme is to do anything Halloween related. And what I'm doing is I'm putting this here blood on my Halloween costume. Well, basically my Halloween costume is homemade because we don't want to, like spend a lot of money on just one costume for one night. And I'm gonna splatter this blood all over it. So let me get the costume and we'll get started. Hey guys, so I got my costume laid out on this newspaper and I got the blood right here and I'm about to get started. And what I want to tell you is if you want to do this and put blood on your own costume, you just gotta get newspaper if you have carpet or something and put it under there. Well, I put the newspaper more on top because I want to mainly get this part up here because the skirt part is black. And yeah, let's just get started. Anyway, well, I squirted the blood on there. Looks somewhat realistic. I got some handprints on the back. You can see that. Yeah, tried to do it in the front. Didn't really work out too well. It still looks alright. Let it dry. And this doesn't look like it'll be coming off very easy. So, you should wear gloves. I should have worn gloves. I don't know why I didn't. Well, thank you for watching. And stay tuned for next week on next Wednesday for our next challenge. Happy Halloween! I got the blood open. And I got the seal off. I'm about to pour it on here. Splatter it on there. Alright, let's see the process. Okay. I splattered it on there. I luckily didn't make a mess. Okay. Oh, can you guys see that? Looks real, like real blood. It's disgusting. Just gonna smear that around so it looks stained. Like I killed someone. I'm totally kidding. Okay. I haven't killed anyone. Let's put some more. More up there. Just really get it on there. Smear it all around. Let's hope this stuff doesn't stain. Disgusting. Yuck. Here's the front so far. Okay. And I'm going to see how it looks when I try to stamp it on the back. Oh god, this is gross. Looks like real blood. Yuck. Like as if ghosts were touching me, or not ghosts, but like, ugh, I'm getting sick from just touching it and looking at it. Yuck. Can you guys kind of see the handprints right there I made on there? I think it looks alright, pretty cool, I'm going to do that on the front. Ugh, I'm just so, ugh. This is gross. Okay, put a good hand right there. Gross, this is, yuck. I'm sorry, this is gross. Handprint didn't really come out good. Yuck. Alright, well,